Draw learning. Today we are going to draw Bluey while we learn Spanish. We draw their huge ears, that in Spanish is said, OREJAS. We draw their adorable eyes, that is said, OJOS. We draw a little heart. Now his little arms, which in Spanish is BRAZOS. Let's go with the legs. Legs in Spanish is PIERNAS. Very good. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say heart in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. We use this color for the snout. Snout in Spanish is HOCICO. Now we use dark blue, that in Spanish is said, AZUL OSCURO. Come on guys, it's looking very good. Now we use light blue, that is said, AZUL CLARO. Let's see if you know the answer. Heart in Spanish is CORAZON. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.